Hello children. So in last class the Nurja ma'am told you up to which question? Up to 18th question they have solved, right? So even 18th question they given as a homework for you, right? So they hand over to me. So now I am taking a math subject for you people. Okay. So we'll start from the 18th question. Okay, I'll solve 18th also. So what is the 18th question here? Write the three equivalent fractions of a 3 by 7. Write three equivalent fractions. Okay, write the three equivalent fractions of a 3 by 7. We have to write the equivalent fractions of a 3 by 7. What are the equivalent fractions of a 3 by 7? How to write the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction you have to write here. The given fraction is 3 by 7. Right? So equivalent fraction means you have to multiply a one number to the numerator as well as the denominator. The same value you have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. See here, I am multiplying the 2 to the numerator as well as the denominator. What is the value here? So 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14. So 6 by 14 is the equivalent fraction to the 3 by 7. Understanding what I am saying here? So write the three equivalent fractions of a 3 by 7. So you have to multiply the same number. Don't multiply here 2 and here 3. Okay, you are going to multiply with the 2, then multiply both the numerator and 7 by 2 only. Okay, don't multiply the other values. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? So you have to multiply the same value to the numerator and denominator. Denominator ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ numerator ಗೆ same value ಇಂದ ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only we get the equivalent fractions. Okay? So they told three equivalent fractions. Here we got the one, right? Another two we have to do, that is 3 by 7 into 3 by 3. That is 9 by 21. And again next I am multiplying by a 4. That is 3 4s are 12 and 7 4s are 20. So here the answer is what here? 6 by 40 and 9 by 21 and 12 by 28. These are the equivalent fraction of a 3 by 7. These are the equivalent fraction of a 3 by 7. Getting my point? Okay, we'll move to the next question now. That is a 19th question. Add 17 by 19 plus 3 by 19 and write the answer as a mixed fraction. Eldrigo mixed fraction ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? I told in a 4th standard only. Mixed fraction as well as the proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay? So I hope everyone know the meaning of a proper fraction as well as the improper and mixed fraction. So we'll do the sum first. After that we have to write that fraction in a mixed fraction. Okay? We'll do 19th question. We'll move to the 19th question now. So everyone observe the page number 4, warm up syllabus. Everyone observe page number 4. In that we given 19th problem. 19th. Okay? So 19th here. Add 17 by 19. Add 17 by 19 plus 13 by 19. Right? So add 17 by 19 and plus 13 by 19. You have to add these two fractions and you will get an answer, right? So that answer you have to write it in a mixed fraction. I hope everyone know the meaning of a mixed fraction. So you have to convert that answer into a mixed fraction. Before that we have to add here. Okay? Do everyone addition. That is, if the number is same here denominator. Okay? So the denominator numbers are same 19 19. So we can add directly. So add the numerator value, that is here 17 plus 13 is 30 by 19. Right? Add here 17 30 7 3 10 30. Okay, so you will get a 30, 19. Okay, 30 by 19. Now you have to convert the value into mixed fraction. This is a which fraction here? This is a which fraction here? This is a improper fraction. Okay, this is nothing but a what? Improper fraction. Why? See, whatever the value we are writing upside, right? Okay, that value is called as the numerator. Okay, if the value is above this line, then that value is called as the numerator. If the value is below this line, then that is called as the denominator. Okay, so this value 30 is the numerator, 19 is the denominator. Please keep it in that mind. Even I told in a 4th standard only, so it is a warm-up syllabus. Please concentrate here. 30 is the numerator, 19 is the denominator, right? So if the numerator is greater than the denominator, numerator value denominator ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? That is called as the improper fraction. Proper fraction means denominator value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು numerator ಗಿಂತ. Numerator ಗಿಂತ denominator value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that is called as the proper fraction. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is called as the improper fraction. Only we can convert a improper fraction to the mixed fraction. We can't convert a proper fraction to the mixed fraction. Please keep it in that. Only we have to convert this improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Improper fraction ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. if that is a proper fraction, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Getting my point? So here we got a improper fraction, so we have to convert here now mixed fraction. So divide that 30 divide 90. Okay, so now I am doing the mixed fraction. 19 twos are how much? 19 twos are 12. 19 twos are, sorry, I am not hearing your voice, but you have to think and do the problem. Okay, so here 13 twos are is 38, so we can't take that because here only 30 is there, right? So we have to take a smaller than this 30 value. So which one you are taking now here? 19 ones are 19. Okay, so 19 ones are 19. That is here 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, now we can write this one. Quotient is a 1 here. Remainder is 11 and 19 is a divisor. 30 is a divided. Please keep it in that mind. 1 is a quotient. Whatever the value here comes, that is called as the quotient. And whatever the value we are getting here, okay, here, that is called as the remainder. And 19 is a divisor. 30 value is called as the dividend. Okay, so now write it in as a mixed fraction, that is 1 integer 11 by 19. How to read this number? 1 integer 11 by 19. 1 integer 11 by 19. 1 integer 11 by 19. Okay, sorry, here once again see here they given a 17 by 19 and 3 by 19, but I wrote here a 17 by 19 and 13 by 19, but the method is same. Question I have changed here. Please listen here properly. In your textbook they given a only 3 number, not 13. Okay, but here I already written as a 13 number. All the things are same only, but the only difference is this number. Okay, so this is also correct, but the question is wrong. 17 by 19, 3 by 19. Again 17 plus 3 is 20. Next here 20 take, so the remainder is 1 only, so it is 1 by 19. How to read this? 1 integer 1 by 19. Okay. One integer 1 by 19. You have to read like that. One integer 1 by 19. This is called as the mixed fraction. This is called as the mixed fraction. Okay. So next we'll move to the find the difference 9 by 13 minus 4 by 13. It's very easy. You have to do 9 by 13 minus 4 by 13. 9 by 13 and minus 4 by 13. You have to do the problem, that is a 20th difference of difference is nothing but a what? Subtraction. Okay, difference is nothing but a what? Subtraction. They asked to find the difference, that is nothing but a subtraction. You have to do 9 by 30 minus 4 by 30. 9 minus 4 is what? 9 minus 4, that is 5. 5 by 30. So this is the answer. Getting my point? So here they asked to find the difference between a 9 by 13 and 4 by 13. So I already did, that is a 5 by 13. This is the answer. Next we'll move to the next question. 21st question. 21. Okay. We'll move to the 21st question, that is 8th one they given here on picture and B one they given. I write only answers, but I'll show the pic here. Write the fraction for the colored region. Write the fraction for the colored region. Okay, you already studied in your 4th standard only. Okay, all these are the warm-up syllabus. They are just recalling the things which are you were studied in a 4th standard. Okay, that things only they are recalling now. Okay, so here they given a one picture, two pictures, right? A as well as the B. In a first picture, how many boxes are there? 5 boxes are there. And how many are colored? Eshtu color agide? 3. Right? So here total boxes are 5. Total boxes are 5. And how many are colored here? Eshtu color agide? Eshtu color madidare? Only 3 boxes are colored. So write in the numerator. That is fraction is nothing but the 3 by 5. Getting my point? Total box are 5 and only 3 are colored. That's why I am writing that is in a numerator 3 by 5. So this is a fraction. Okay. So next one is a, see here, how many triangles are there here? How many triangles are there? Here triangles are 12. Triangles are 12 and how many are colored here? Here only 5 triangles are colored with the pink color. Okay, so 5 by 12. This is the way to write the fraction for the given diagrams. Okay. Next one is a find the missing length in the figure below if its perimeter is a 29 centimeter. If the perimeter is a 29 centimeter and you have to find the missing length. You have to find the missing length. How to find the missing length here? 22 question here. They given a one diagram like this. It is there. Okay. So here 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. And next here 3 centimeter. And next here also 3 centimeter. Next here 2 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. And next here 3 centimeter. And you have to find the value of this. Right? They given this value, and this one, and this value, and this length. This is also, and this last. This portion they given the length, but you have to find this length. What is the length of this side? They asked. But the given perimeter is a 29. Perimeter is 29 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter is a 29 means what is the meaning of perimeter actually? What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but a what? It is the adding the all the sides here. Whatever the sides are there, no? So you have to add That is called as the perimeter. Sum of the all the sides, okay, that are called as the what? Perimeter. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what you will get, that is nothing but a perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is a 29 centimeter they given here. So now I am going to add all the values here. The finding value will be taken as an x. They given here question mark, right? I am taking that value as a x. Okay, now I am finding the x value. So x plus, add all the sides. 4 plus 3 plus 3 again plus 2 and plus 3 plus 3 and plus 4. See here, 4, this 3 and this 3, after that this 2 and this 3 and last this 3, here again 4. So it is equal to what? 29. They given already 29 centimeter. They only given right here. So now add all these values. Okay, add all these values. That is 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Okay, so here we'll get that 22 is equal to 29, right? See here, x plus 22 is equal to 29. Okay, so take this 22 this side. I told if you are taking the values equal, middle is a equal sign. Okay, if you are taking the this number to this side, then if the value is plus, then it will become a negative. If it is a negative, then it will become a positive. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತಿದೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? 29 ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತಿದೀವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 22 is there. If it is a minus 22, then it will become a plus 22. If it is a plus 22, then it will become a minus 22. Minus ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so here plus 22 is there. What it will become? It will become a minus. That is 29 minus 22. That is nothing but 7. So this length is what here? 7 centimeter. Right? That length is a 7 centimeter. So we'll move to the next question. That is a 23. Find the area of the figure below. Find the area of the figure below. You have to find the area. They given a one figure here. In a 4th standard, again they given a like this diagram only. So already you did that. See how to find this area. How to find this area? Think everyone. Everyone you have to think. How to find this area? Only the part which is in a red color. Red color line in the mark ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, that you have to take. Only that portion you have to find the area. ಆ portion ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? area find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so here one small boxes are there, right? In that one small box containing the 1 square centimeter. Getting my point? One small box, it means 1 square centimeter. How many small boxes are there? Count everyone. How many small boxes are there? You have to count. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 are there. See here. 3, 3, 6, 7 is there. And again columns also 3, 6, 8 are there. Okay, I will draw the diagram here. We will get to know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only this much they given here. So 3, 3, 6, 7 and 3, 3, 6, 8. Okay. So which column they marked here? They did it in a red ink pen. So here, sorry, here I have a blue. So please understand that concept. Okay. Next, second column. There. And column is 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For this column they taken here like this. And next, how much they taken here? These two. And after that below 3. Sorry. This is a 2, right? Wait. Okay. See here, this much and this, not this much, only here. Right? They mark like this. Right? They did like this. So count the numbers. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The answer is what here? Answer is 22 square centimeter. Why we have to write a square centimeter? Because that is the area. If that is the area, then we have to write the square. Square SQ. Okay, square centimeter. Like that you have to write. Next one is a multiplication is there. I do only one problem because these are the multiplication you know already, right? So you have to do the multiplication in your home. These are the very easy problems. So please you have to do in your home only. I'll do one example. Okay, don't worry. Whichever the bigger value only I will do. Okay, that is the last one. Deep one I'll do. Okay. So that is. And which problem it is? 23 is. Okay, please note that. Next we'll move to the next question. Wait. That is a 24 question. In that deep one I am doing. First A, B, C. You have to do it in your home. These are the very easy problems because that is a multiplication, right? So you have to do it in your home. So deep one I do, that is 6024 into 21. If you know the table, then it is a very easy. If you know the table 21, then it is a very easy. If you don't know the table, then again you have to do the one by one multiplication. Okay. So now we'll do the with the table only. 21 fours are how much? 21 fours are how much? 21s are 21, 22s are 21 twos are 42, 21 threes are 21 threes are which one value? 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, 21 threes are 60. What? 3. Next 21 fours are 84, 21 fives are 105 and 21 six are 126, 21 sevens are 147, 21 eights are 168, 21 nines are what? 189 and 21 tens are 210. Okay. So 21 fours are is 84. That is 4 here. 21 twos are how much? 42. 42 plus 8 is 50. That is 5. And here 0 plus 5 is 5 only. 21 6 are 126. Right? So here like this we have to write. Okay. This is if you know the table, then you can do like this. If the people, some people are there, right? They are extraordinary people. For that people, again I am taking one more method, that is here 6, 0, 2, 4 and 21. First do with the multiplication 1. That is 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 6 are 6. Next we have to write here addition symbol. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 into 0 is 0, 2 6 are 12. Now add the values. 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5 and here 6 and 2, 1. Same answer you got 1,26,504 and 1,26,504. This 0 can be written as a not 504. Okay, like that you have to read. Otherwise 504. Okay, but 504 is a old style, but now we are updating version, right? So we have to be updated day by day. That's why read as a 1,26,504. 504. Not is nothing but a what? There is a 0 is there. That meaning they give. Okay, so 1,26,504. Okay, so this is the answer. Next we'll do the find the quotient and the remainder for the following. 25th main. 25th main they given here. Find the quotient and the remainder for the following. That all are division problems. I hope everyone will do that problems. Still I do the one example, one as an example, that is here they given a second one is a bigger value. I will do that. Okay. So 8th one and 6th one you have to. These are all oral syllabus. You already studied in a 4th standard only. Say just they are recalling all the things. So please you have to do all the problems. Okay, don't wait for the teacher only do. Okay, you have to do it in a HW. It doesn't matter. So find the quotient and the remainder for the following. That is week 1 I will do 25th question. Okay. First 8th one you only do. Next week 1 is 6,754 divided by which? It is 12. Using a 12 it is there. I hope 12 table everyone know. So we'll do with the first only because the divisor is 32 they given. Everyone getting a confusion in a 32 table, right? So everyone know the 12 table. You can do easily this problem. So better we'll do the 8th one only because in 8th one the divisor is here 32 is there. 756 will divide 32. So you have to divide with the 32. What is the 32 to the value? 32 to the value. What is the 32 to the value? Everyone know 30 table. Hint I am giving 30 table. Everyone know. See here 30 table means you have to write a 3 table. 9, 12, 15 and 3 6 are 18 and next 3 7 are 21, 24, 27 and 30. You have to add all the zeros here. 110. 110 for all the numbers. Then it will become a 30 table. 30 table, right? But we want a 32 table. Okay? So for this number, add all the 2 table values. 32. See here. I am adding 2 here. Next, 2 table only. 2 2s are how much? 4. Add that value. 64. Next, 2 3s are 6. Add this. 96. Next, 2 4s are 8, 128. Next 2 5s are 10, that is 160. Next 2 6s are 12, that is 192. Next 2 7s are 14. You have to add 14 value, 224. 2 8s are 16, 256. 2 9s are 18, 18 we have to add here, 288. Next value is 320. So this is the 32 table. Like this you have to do. Even I told the skill of the how to write the tables in a 4th standard. Still in a whatever the in next will solve while solving the problems. I'll give one more hint for a how to write the tables. Okay, but here 32, how much, which value you have to take here? 32 twos are, that is 64 here. 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 16 here, 116. What is the nearer value for 116 here? 32 threes are, that is 96. 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 9 is 2, 0. So the quotient is what here? Quotient is equal to 23 and remainder is what here? Remainder is equal to 20. So this is the method we have to do all the problems up to 25th. All the means whatever the problems I left, you have to do it in a HW. That is the homework for you. Next we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Up to that, be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you everyone.